What's new this month at Rogers Railroad Junction? For starters, we still have an ample supply of Pennsylvania Railroad K4 Pacific type locomotives from Broadway Limited. The cornerstone of Pensie's passenger service for over 40 years, often double-heading and occasionally even triple-heading trains as passenger consists grew longer and heavier throughout the 1930s. Built by Broadway with their acclaimed Paragon 2 integrated digital control system, back EMF motor control and recordable automated sound playback are standard features, as are freestanding grab irons, separately applied plumbing, and a detailed cab. And then there's Athearn with SD60Ms in their Genesis line. First introduced in 1989, the M model was a wide-nose variant of the original SD60 and represented the first attempt by EMD at such a design since the famous DD40AX Centennial locomotives of 20 years prior. Built with Soundtrack's Tsunami decoders, dual-mode operation is a standard feature, along with numerous detail parts painstakingly applied, such as see-through grillwork, prototypical paint, and lighting. Continuing with Athearn, several new offerings are available from their ready-to-roll line. Tops on the list, Athearn sounds off with SD40 diesels. Marking the first ever appearance of sound in the RTR lineup, Athearn has taken great care to retain all of the other features and details which have made this line one of the most popular in the company's history. Featuring all new tooling, operating windows along with wire grab irons and silicon handrails round out the effect of realism, while many road-specific and even unit-specific details, such as Western Cullen rotary beacons, further drive that effect home. Overall, it's an example of Athearn stepping up their game and making their most successful product line even better. And right on the heels of that groundbreaking new release, American Car Foundry center flow covered hoppers. With screw-mounted trucks, McHenry couplers, round or trough-style hatches, and machined metal wheels, accuracy and easy operation are both hallmarks of these cars. First introduced in the late 1960s, ACF revolutionized hopper design with these cars, utilizing a semi-cylindrical shape to strengthen the overall structure without the additional weight that extra bracing and reinforcement would require. Pre-painted, pre-assembled, and ready to roll, just as the name would imply. Get yours today. And finally, from the Ready to Roll series, there's 50-foot gondolas in multiple road names. With a highly detailed injection molded body, wire grab irons, RP25 contoured metal wheels, and a composite painted printed finish for a razor-sharp appearance, these workhorses of the rails are a perfect addition to almost any layout. And last but not least, 36-foot stock cars from MDC Roundhouse. A common sight on American railroads throughout the first half of the 20th century, such cars have been almost completely replaced by trucks today, but now they can live on in a world of your own creation. With wire truss rods, separately applied roof walks and brake components, machined metal wheels, and McHenry couplers, Athearn's commitment to quality is carried through even to this, their most economical line. but it's all indicative of the quality and service you can expect here at Central California's most complete railroad hobbyist shop. So drop on by and see what else is new this month at Rogers Railroad Junction today.